Let's take a look at Tableau's start page. When you open Tableau, you're going to land on a page like this. If you've had anything open in the recent past, it's going to show up here in the middle, and you can open a recent version. The first thing you're going to want to do is connect to data. If you don't have any data to use, click on Sample Superstore. This is a sample data set from Tableau. You can also connect to things like Excel, text files, OneDrive, Google Analytics, Tableau server itself, or other databases like PostgreSQL. In addition, there are 3 sample workbooks on the bottom that you can open up to see some examples. If you're not upgraded to the most recent version, you'll have an upgrade option in the bottom right. And that's the homepage of Tableau.